Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create student assignment tracker in Notion. So what I will do is I will add new page, and here we'll start with database table, right? So currently we don't have data source, so we can choose new database and we will rename the page student assignment tracker. We'll start with first column being our subject, right? And then second I will get rid of tag, right? Here I will try and put date, right? So instead of pure date I will use assignment date as property. Second I will add is topic, which is text, right? So just replace that part. Then we have option of due date, right? So one more field, due date, and we will replace the field name. Finally I will add text called notes for that particular assignment, right? So here let's say subject is physics, assignment date to be on 14th, and let's say we already covered the subject, so here topic is specific to, let's say, force, motion and gravity. So that chapter has the assignment here. Notes, we can put it up like completed, not completed, etc. at the end. Then completes the due date, say on 21, right? So from 14 to 21, 7 days, right? And notes not started yet, right? So like this you can add the respective fields and keep on adding the next few rows for your assignments. So in entire semester you will be able to track how many of those assignments that you completed and how many grades you got, etc. You can even create column for that. So this was student assignment tracker created in Notion.